Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your computer delete old files that are taking up space and are no longer needed. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is press the Windows key and type Command Prompt into the search bar. Then, on the right-hand side, click Run as Administrator. Command Dism.exe/online/cleanup-image/startcomponentcleanup, then press Enter. The system will begin analyzing all files to remove those that are not necessary. This operation may take several minutes, depending on the specific case. This will make your computer automatically remove old Windows Update files that are no longer needed and are taking up space. You should do this from time to time to make sure your computer continues to perform at its best. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It only takes 3 seconds, and it really helps me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!